Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a product review and it's in a Christmas package. Check that out. Yeah, and it's after the holidays. But yeah, this product is called Rubbit. Yeah, I know. It's interesting. I saw some comments when I saw the Instagram advertisement where people were like, whoa, Rubbit. I thought I was looking at something else. Anyways, we're not going to get into that, but we are going to get into this box and see what we have inside. Woo. All right. First and most importantly, we got our container here with a manual spray. So we'll pump this, spray that. I've actually seen something like this be used at our friend's shop when he was detailing my car for some paint correction. So I've seen shops use it, so it should be good, right? But essentially it should do something like this. And also in the package we got 1, 2 packs of 2, so that's 4 of these micro cloths. I'm sorry, make that 6. We got 6 of them. There's also our waterless detergent that'll go in this. There's also a Rubbit bunny air freshener. Quick instructions, some more instructions over here. Pluck it and file it. If you know, you know. The funny thing is it says premium waterless multi-purpose car wash concentrate. So that can be deceiving. This needs water. And well, not this, but that container needs water. Just because it says waterless doesn't mean we're not using any water. We're going to use water. So at about 1.5 liters of water, we're going to use 5 caps of this concentrate. So not using too much, which is great because I was looking at that bottle plus this, like that would be crazy. So oh yeah, it looks pretty cool. Just like a container of oil, it shows you right there how much water you have, or the mix, how much of the mix you have. Once we put that in, we're gonna pump this until you hear it, and then we'll be able to spray the car, and then essentially just wipe it down with all of these. Yeah, I could do that all inside here in the house. And the timing is actually perfect because I did wash a couple of I washed the 2 commuter cars today. If you guys are new to the channel, my wife and I both have our own commuter cars. I washed those outside today, but the cars I have inside here, they're not that dirty. The Prelude, which is right there, has a few water spots, but nothing too crazy. So I feel like this is the best example of when you would use this. It's late, it's cold outside. The car has spots, but it's not super dirty. But it's not clean enough where I just want to hit it with just like some after wash spray. So we'll put that to the test. And also I plan on bringing both of these cars to a car meet tomorrow, a local one. So I'll be able to like go back and forth, drop one car off, pick up the other. I know it's crazy, but with that said, again, perfect timing. This came in today. I'm going to use it on the Prelude. So let's get started. All right, so I got my 1.5 liters of water in there and the 5 caps of the concentrate. It says then to shake it, rub it, shake it. It doesn't say to rub it. It's a play on the name of the brand. Okay. Anyways, shake it up. Then we're gonna pump it, and it says it makes like a pressurizing sound. So it's not this. It's not that sound. I don't think so. Damn, get it my workout. Okay, this is beyond rubbing it. I didn't go to the gym today, by the way. Okay, that doesn't look right. Okay, yeah, it did like a. Anyways, let's give it a spray. Ooh. By the way, this smells really good. Yeah, the spray is pretty cool. I'll go ahead and wipe it. Okay, so one towel pretty much got most of it. You still see some spots there. Really shiny, smells really good. And just to show you, like, I don't know if you see that, that's what I was dealing with. So like something like that. That's like kind of like the before. And so far, this is what I'm getting. Probably best to divide this into 3 with the amount of towels they give you, because one of them just to swirl around most of the foam, and then the other one to kind of dry it up per section. Although the dryer one you could probably use on multiple sections, so there's always that. The front is all done. Look at this. Look how shiny. Now my Prelude here is, it appears to be in like great condition, but believe me, it has its flaws. But with that said, look at that shine. Very nice, very clean. I think for cases where the car is like caked in dirt and debris and things like that, I wouldn't maybe do this. I would go outside with the pressure washer as I do. But like I said, this car, I think it just had a few water spots when I took it out for like a few minutes where there was like a light sprinkle. But prior to that, it had already been pressure washed, and it's also ceramic coated. I think in cases like this where, yeah, it's essentially clean, just in those water spots. I'm indoors, it's late, it's cold outside. Definitely don't want to use a pressure washer. My neighbors are super close, so don't want to disturb them in the middle of the night with some pressure washing. This is very good. I'll go ahead, finish the rest of the car, and give you guys my thoughts and prayers. The Prelude is all done, finished cleaning, and yeah, I have a few things to talk about now that it's all done. But you can see all nice, shiny, and clean. We'll go back to that spot that I showed you that had like dirt or water spots. See, that's not there anymore. And overall, she is looking very clean. But yeah, I'll give my thoughts and talk about the process of doing this a little bit. Ooh, okay, I had to take the sweater off. I was starting to get a little bit hot, but not too bad. Considering like all of the physical like wiping and cleaning that you have to do. Also, keep in mind this garage, like with these 2 cars in it, the Alfa Romeo 4C and the Honda Prelude, both not gigantic cars, but in this garage there isn't too much space, but I was still able to get a nice even spray on the car and also get in there and clean it with the towels. Look, I still have 2 new ones left that I haven't touched, so I thought like maybe do this in 3 sections and then I would probably use all 6 of the towels, but that's not what happened. I ended up using just 4. And I think what helped with that is that if you're familiar with their videos, they always show like the person cleaning it sort of like doing a one wipe all the way through. The first time I went around, I just kind of like went to town like Mr. Miyagi on it, and that really soaked up the towel. Now maybe that's a good thing to have at least one towel that's completely soaked up, and you could kind of hit up some areas where it didn't really spray that well, if that makes sense. But using just the one wipe method and then going in with a dryer towel to kind of finish it off was the trick. That was like the best way to do it, just like they show in the videos. And I'm pretty sure it's like on the QR code it shows you like a better method of doing it. I didn't really show you how necessarily I did it. It was more or less just to try it out, open it up, and give you my honest opinion about it. Something I didn't like about it, and spoiler alert, I really like this product, but if I were to pick on something, it's not a big deal. But unlike your traditional where you're spraying with water to rinse it afterwards, there isn't really a way to get into the gaps or there might be some foam left over. So you really do need to go in there with the towel and kind of like guide it in there to get any of that foam that's left over, as opposed to a pressure washer where you're just washing with pressure. You're rinsing with high pressure water. So this, you don't have that. That's probably the only thing I didn't like about it too much, but it's not a big deal, not at all. Like the product is actually really good. The amount of towels they give you obviously is okay for something like this, a Honda Prelude, a huge SUV. Maybe you need to buy some extra towels or something like that. But again, like the Honda Prelude, much bigger than my 4C here. The 4C, that more than enough. I'd probably do it with 3 towels or something like that. But again, like I was saying before, the use of this, I see it as not a wash for something very dirty, very muddy, something that's collected a lot of debris. I would say it's more of like that. The car just has a few water spots, maybe a little bit of dust from sitting in the garage or something like that. It does have its purpose. So this will definitely be something I keep and use from time to time. just to get that car ready, right? For the, like I said, I wanted to take both of these to a car meet tomorrow, and this thing had like some visible water spots, especially on a car of that color. It really shows, not so much on this pearl white on the 4C. So yeah, there's no way I'm going to take that looking that way. Unfortunately, this was not a product that was sent to me by Rubbit. It wasn't sponsored, so I do not have an affiliate link. It's not on Amazon. So hopefully if they're watching this video, maybe I'll tag them or something like that. They can send me some more products to review, or maybe give me an affiliate link or something like that, where I can hook you guys up with a coupon. But unfortunately, I don't have that right now. But I wanted to try it out. I wanted to give you guys my honest opinion about it. Anyways, I like it, like the product. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you're new to the channel, I hope you subscribe, share with anyone that might like this type of content, and look out for my other videos of all my other automotive content. Anyways, that's gonna do it. Talk to y'all later.